Sairam, dear children of class 5. Welcome to today's maths class. Let us start, children, the class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Let us join our hands and start. Om. 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 Yes, children. Yesterday we were studying about symmetry. Okay. So we will try to watch a video of symmetry. Let me play it.
Today, let's learn something different called line of symmetry. Let's start. Look at the Star of David. Now, let's fold this figure in half. You will notice that both the halves match each other exactly. If you can fold a figure in half so that the two halves exactly match, the figure is said to be symmetrical. The fold line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Here, line AG is one such line of symmetry. The others are line PH, line CI, line DJ, line EK, and line FL. Thus, we say that Star of David has 6 lines of symmetry. Now, let's draw the lines of symmetry for the given figures. Figure 1. A rectangle. Here, we can divide the figure into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus, we say a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Figure 2. An apple. Here, we cannot divide an apple into 2 equal halves. Thus, an apple has no line of symmetry. Figure 3. Letter A. We can divide the letter into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically. Thus, we say letter A has 1 line of symmetry. Coming to the last figure, number 0. Here, we can divide the number 0 into 2 equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus, we say that number 0 has 2 lines of symmetry. Kids, now it's time for you to practice line of symmetry on your own.
Okay, children, I hope you understand line of symmetry. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, yes. So we have seen line of symmetry of 0, letter A, star, rectangle, etc. Okay. Now we will do more practice with Tata ClassEdge. Okay. Now let us go to Tata's ClassEdge. Let me type school's name, then username and password. Let me sign in. Yes, it's coming. Let's wait for some time. Yes, it's coming. Okay, class 5. Let me take class 5. And we are learning this lesson. Does it look the same? And first, children, we can enjoy some Rangoli patterns. Are you ready for that? Okay. So let us first enjoy some Rangoli patterns. Okay. And you can draw it also. You can make it also. Okay. Let me play it. How was it, children? Did you enjoy it? Okay. Are you able to
Yes,
make?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see something. Yes. Now we will see something else. Yesterday we were learning about mirror images. Is it not, children? Okay. We watched this video of mirror images also yesterday. Then we will see some questions. Quiz questions we can discuss today. This we have already mirror halves we discussed yesterday. We will discuss this quiz today. Some questions you may find a little bit confusing, but don't mind because there are some problem with the pictures. That we doesn't matter. We will discuss as many questions as possible, children. Okay, we'll start with the first one. Which of these alphabets are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line? Here A, B, C options are given and dotted. Which one is divided into two mirror halves by a dotted line? Then the question is, in which figure the dotted line is a line of symmetry? So what do you children see? If you cut along this line, this T, this part and this part, will it be exactly similar? And this E or F, I am not clear, whatever it is, E or F. Anyway, when you cut, you will not get similar. Okay. Here also confusion. So let us try this one. T. T is definitely, this line will be a, yes. This line, when you cut T along this line, you will get this part and this part exactly same. That means this is line of symmetry. Okay, children. Now we will go to the next question. Okay. Now the question is, there are four options. Four options are there. How many different dotted lines can you draw on this figure shown below, such that when the figure is folded along the dotted line, it gets divided into two mirror halves? Okay, and you know, you have already learned last year circle. This circle has a center, and in a circle, when you fold equally means it will go through every fold will go through the center. So in many different ways we can fold it to make mirror halves. So let us see our option. One is anyway wrong. Two is wrong. Three is also wrong. We can have more than three. So the remaining option is infinite. Infinite means so many. Okay, so let us try this. Okay, we are correct. Now we'll go to the next question. Okay, children, did you understand? A circle can have infinite number of line of symmetry. And third question is, which of the following shapes will be divided into two identical halves, means two equal halves, by a vertical axis of symmetry? Vertical means top to bottom line. Top to bottom line, this type. So this type line is called horizontal. Okay, vertical means top to bottom. If you vertical line of symmetry, you have to find out. If you cut this way, not the same. If this one, if you cut this way, not the same. If you cut this shape this way, will both the portions same? Yes. What about this? If you cut it like this,
Yes.
one side arrow will be there, the other
No.
side arrow will not be there. Direction is also different. So let us try this. Okay, children, are you following me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are. Yes. Now let us try the next question. Does the dotted line divide the below image to two mirror halves? This we have seen in the video. In the video, we had a rectangle, and in the video, two line of symmetry was shown. It was like this, one vertically like this, and one this way like this. This is corner to corner. This is called a diagonally. So you can also try with a rectangular sheet of paper. If you cut along this, and if you try to fold one, or if you try to keep one over the other, they do not coincide. So is it a line of symmetry, or if this line, whether this line cut this image into two mirror halves? Our question is this. Let us opt for no and see. Okay, that means this is not a line of symmetry. Similarly, this way also, this diagonal also is not a line of symmetry, but there is always confusion. But if it is a square, it is yes. Okay. Then next question. Which of the following digits can be divided into two mirror halves? 3 digits are given to you. 2. Can you cut vertically or horizontally to make a mirror half? No. So what about 7? If you cut anyway, we will not get equal parts. What about 3? 3 you can cut this way horizontally, then you will get 2 equal parts. So let us try this answer. Okay? Yes. Okay, we are correct. 7 and 2, why not? You understood, no? Now we will go to the next question. Okay. Now, which of these alphabets can be divided into two mirror halves? And here too, this alphabet is exactly not clear. But if you, suppose you take this, D, this is D or B, whatever it is, if you cut vertically or horizontally, you will not get equal. I don't think it is B, it may be D. Then suppose take this. If you cut it along this way, vertically, will you get two equal parts? We will try this. Okay. That's why I told in some pictures there is a confusion. Okay, W is okay. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Yes. Which of these images is divided into two mirror halves by dotted line? Here dotted line is given, and this one you see, if you try to paste it, to bring it together and paste it, we can paste it. And then when we cut, we will get two different equal parts. What about this? It is not like that. It is also not like that. So let us try for C. Are you able to follow me? Yes, children. Okay.
Yes,
By
ma'am.
seeing the picture, you can understand now. Okay. Now the next is, how many different ways can the following digit be divided into two mirror halves? This can be, here it is written digit. So what digit it may be? It may be 8. Okay. In how many different ways we can divide 8 to make two mirror halves? Suppose we cut along this way. Here a 0 or O is there, like that. 0 is there, 0 is there. Whatever it is, okay. Then if you cut along this way, it also makes two equal parts. So let us try for 2 and see whether we are correct or not. Okay, children. Now we will go to the next question. Which of these shapes are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line? Which of these following shapes are divided into two two mirror halves by the dotted line? Which one you feel? See, 4 questions are there. Anyway, these 2 are not there. Here the picture is not complete also. Let us try this and see. Otherwise, we will try. Okay. Yes. Okay. That means here when you cut it, this part is there. Here also this part is there. If you fold it and keep it, then this corner will come and coincide with this corner. Okay, children. Now we have 2-3 more questions. We will do that also. Which of the following digits can be divided into mirror halves? One is which 6, 5 and 0. Can 5 be divided into mirror halves? No. Can 6 be divided into? No. This was there in the video also. Let us try this. Okay. Yes. Now we will go to some another question. Which of these shapes can be divided into 2 mirror halves? This is such type of a figure. It is an irregular figure. Similarly, the last one is also an irregular figure. Now, this is like this portion. This part you see. Suppose you cut along this way. This way, if you cut, you will get 2 equal parts. Okay. So let us try this and see. Yes. Okay. Now one more question is left out. Yes. State whether the following statement is true or false. The shape below is divided into 2 mirror halves by the dotted line. Okay. Here a dotted line is there. Here. Okay. Then if you cut along this dotted line, will the 2 parts be same? It's very clear. Is it clear? It may not be. Okay. Okay. So it is also, no, it is false. So if you cut along this line, this part is quite different from the upper part. So they will not coincide. If you fold along this, this point, this corner will come here. Then there is no corner here. So our answer is false. Okay. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
all the lines are lines of symmetry. So we have done 12 questions about lines of symmetry, and we watch one video of making rangoli. I hope you will try rangoli, and we have done some examples through the video also. Remember, children, the lines of symmetry of a rectangle, how many are there? They are 2, and diagonals are not lines of symmetry for a rectangle. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, children. So we are logging out from here at the same time. Yes. Okay, let me log out. Yes, children. Now we are going to stop the class today. Let us chant Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, children, we will meet tomorrow with another video. Okay, bye.